For most of human history, intelligence belonged only to living beings. Humans could think, plan, imagine, solve problems, create language, build tools, and learn from experience. Machines could help us work, but they could not think with us. They could lift, cut, calculate, print, move, and produce, but they did not understand. Then something changed. A new dream appeared in the modern world. What if machines could learn? What if computers could recognize patterns, answer questions, make decisions, write words, create images, drive vehicles, diagnose diseases, and maybe one day think in ways that seemed almost human? This dream became one of the most powerful technological movements in history. Artificial intelligence did not rise overnight. It was not born from one single machine or one single moment. It grew from mathematics, wartime computing, scientific ambition, human imagination, business competition, and the constant desire to make machines more useful. Today, AI is everywhere. It recommends videos. It translates languages. It helps doctors. It writes code. It powers search engines. It guides robots. It creates images. It answers questions. It watches markets. It helps companies decide what people see, buy, and believe. But behind this modern revolution is a long story. A story of hope, failure, comeback, fear, and power. This is the rise of artificial intelligence. The story begins with a simple question. Can machines think? A computer could follow rules, but the real world was messy. Human language was full of meaning, emotion, context, and ambiguity. Vision was difficult. Common sense was difficult. Learning from experience was difficult. The early machines were impressive for their time, but they were far from true intelligence. Still, the dream continued. One of the important early ideas was machine learning. The idea that a computer could improve through experience instead of only following fixed instructions. Arthur Samuel's Checkers program became an early symbol of this concept. It showed that a machine could become better at a task by learning from play and performance. This was a major shift. Instead of telling a computer every answer, scientists began asking whether a computer could find patterns for itself. But progress was uneven. AI went through periods of excitement, then disappointment. Researchers made big promises. Governments and companies invested money. But when the technology failed to deliver what people expected, funding slowed. These periods became known as AI winters. The dream did not die, but it became colder. For years, artificial intelligence seemed trapped between ambition and reality. The ideas were powerful, but the machines were not strong enough. There was not enough data. There was not enough computing power. Algorithms were limited. The world wanted intelligent machines, but the technology was not ready. Then the internet changed everything. Suddenly, humanity began producing data at a scale never seen before. Every search, click, image, video, purchase, message, and website became part of a massive digital world. Data became the raw material of modern AI. In November 2022, OpenAI introduced ChatGPT, a conversational AI system that allowed ordinary people to talk to a machine in natural language. It could answer questions, write essays, explain ideas, generate scripts, summarize text, help with code, and respond in a way that felt surprisingly human. For many people, this was the first time AI felt real, not hidden inside an app, not working quietly behind a platform, but speaking directly. The ChatGPT moment changed public imagination. Suddenly, students, writers, businesses, teachers, programmers, artists, marketers, and ordinary users began testing what AI could do. Some were amazed. Some were afraid. Some saw opportunity. Others saw danger. Artificial intelligence had moved from laboratories and companies into everyday conversation. And once people experienced it, the question changed. It was no longer, can machines think? It became, how much will machines change our lives? AI began to enter workplaces. Companies used it for customer service, writing, research, design, coding, analysis, and automation. Creative industries started using AI-generated images, voices, music, and video. Schools struggled with how to teach in a world where students could ask machines for answers. Governments began worrying about regulation, privacy, security, and misinformation. The rise of AI created excitement, but also deep concern. Would AI take jobs? Would it replace human creativity? Could it spread fake information? Could it be used for surveillance? Could powerful companies control too much data? Could machines make decisions that humans did not understand? These questions became part of modern history. Because AI is not just a tool, it is a force that changes power. It affects business, education, medicine, defense, media, finance, transportation, and politics. It can make companies faster, governments stronger, and societies more efficient. But it can also make inequality worse, spread manipulation, and concentrate power in the hands of a few. Like every major invention, AI has two sides. It can help doctors find disease earlier, but it can also make fake videos harder to detect. It can help students learn faster, but it can also make people depend too much on machines. It can help workers become more productive, but it can also replace certain jobs. It can organize information, but it can also flood the world with content. This is the challenge of artificial intelligence. It is powerful because it learns from human knowledge, but it is dangerous if humans use it without wisdom. The rise of AI is often compared to the Industrial Revolution. Machines once changed human labor by replacing muscle power. AI may change human work by reshaping mental labor. It can process language, images, code, numbers, and decisions. It can support creativity, but also challenge what creativity means. The rise of artificial intelligence is not only a story about technology, it is a story about humanity. Looking into a mirror and asking what intelligence really means. If a machine can write, what makes human writing special? If a machine can create images, what is art? If a machine can answer questions, what is learning? If a machine can make decisions, who is responsible? These are not only technical questions. They are historical questions. Every major age in history had a force that changed everything. Fire changed survival. Agriculture changed settlement. Writing changed memory. Printing changed knowledge. Steam changed industry. Electricity changed cities. Oil changed the modern world. The internet changed communication. Now AI may become the force that changes intelligence itself. The story is still unfolding. No one knows exactly where it will lead. AI may become humanity's greatest assistant, helping solve problems in medicine, climate, education, science, and productivity. Or it may create new risks that societies are not ready to control. But one thing is already clear. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It is part of the present. The rise of AI did not happen in one day. It began with a question: can machines think? Then came decades of dreams. Failures, winters, breakthroughs, data, chips, algorithms, and ambition. And now the world stands inside the AI age. A new chapter of human history has begun, not written only by kings, armies, or empires, but by code, data, machines, and the human desire to create something that can think beside us. If you enjoyed this powerful journey into the rise of artificial intelligence, subscribe to Ancient Truth, where we explore the events, inventions, civilizations, decisions, disasters, technologies, and hidden forces that shape the modern world. And before you go, comment below. Do you think AI will become humanity's greatest tool or its greatest challenge? Like this video, share it with someone who loves history and technology, and stay with us for the next story that changed the world.